Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming back with another video, and I will be showing my updated everyday makeup routine. I changed a few things around and I'm ready to show you guys. I'm going to start out filling my brows in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. The easiest way I can explain to do my eyebrows is I just fill them in according to my shape. I just literally line the top and the bottom and just fill them in. And they look real bold when I get finished, but it doesn't matter because I clean it up later.
Until you reach my peak, baby. Trying to climb my mountain. I want to play in your deep,
I'm going to clean up my brows with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey and an angled eyebrow brush that I just got from my beauty supply store. How I clean up my brows is I just simply put the product on the brush and underline my shape. But I take my time doing this though because it can get real tedious. This is literally the longest part of the whole makeup routine is doing the eyebrows because me, I just like to get them close to perfect. I know they're not going to be perfect, but you always like to try to get them close to perfect. What you see me doing right here is dragging the product down so that it won't be such a harsh line, and that way it'll be easier for me to blend it.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
I'm just blending it out with this Real Techniques brush. I cannot tell you the name of this brush or anything like that. I just know that it's a Real Techniques brush and I use it for about 3 or 4 or 5 different things, and I'm okay with that.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
I ended up getting this Milani palette. It was like an all-in-one palette, y'all. It had highlighter, bronzer, blush. I don't even use blush, and 3 little eyeshadows. in the middle. And y'all, I had a ball. Like, I really had a time last night with this palette. I'm packing on that bottom color that you just seen, and I'm usually just a one shade type of girl, so I'm just gonna pack on this and spread it out with another brush. I am using a powder foundation today. I usually don't use foundation at all, but since I found one in a powder, I said why not, and I actually really liked it. It did pretty good for me. This also is a new product that I got right here. It's the NYX Bear With Me spray, and it's also an all-in-one spray. You can prep and prime with it, and also you can set and refresh with it. So I'm like, why not? I'm here for the all-in-ones.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Taking my banana powder that I've had since forever. I also got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to highlight my face with it. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin.
Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, baby. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep,
Okay, this is something new that I tried. I actually tried to put on some bronzer this time, and I actually liked how it turned out. It warmed my face up real nice. I didn't know what I was doing at first, but that same brush that I used to blend my makeup earlier that I said I use for everything is what I used to apply the bronzer, and I think I did pretty good. It warmed my face up, so I'll definitely be keeping this in my regimen from now on. I took a smaller brush with the same product and tried to line my nose or contour my nose a little bit. I don't know if I did anything. Girl, I don't know, but we just did it and it looked natural, so I just rocked with it.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Okay, the highlighter that's in this Milani palette is not nothing to play with. When I tell y'all that, you know what, I'm just gonna let y'all see. Yeah. I was real shocked. I was real shocked when I had used this, y'all, because I had never seen something so bright and so bold like that, and I didn't know if I had used too much or anything, but I had used just the right amount. And as you can see, once I get it blended in, it really looks like liquid gold, and I'm just not going to be able to stop applying this. I finally loved it. It scared me at first, but I finally loved it.
Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby.
I got this lip duo from my beauty supply store. It was from the brand Absolute. I don't know the exact name of the colors, but I'll put it in the description box. But this lip duo, I must say, was really, really giving. It was a nude lipstick and a chocolate brown liner, and together, oh my God. It looks good literally alone or with lip gloss.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until
I used a lip gloss that was from the hair store as well. Y'all, like I told y'all in my last video, do not sleep on these beauty supply store glosses because they literally be like $1 and they really be looking like $1,000. Like, so don't sleep on it. Go get you like all of them.
rock right up to the side of my mountain.
I also got my lashes from my beauty supply store as well because my beauty supply store has bomb lashes, in my opinion. An easy way that I can put on my lashes that really has been helping me over these past few years is holding a mirror underneath and then looking down while I apply my lashes, because that is just so much easier than trying to look straight and apply your lashes. But if you look down and apply your lashes, it makes a world of a difference. Okay, so now that I have my lashes applied, I'm going to set my face with my setting spray that I used earlier to prime my face. And that is it. Look how my skin just glowed up and just... I'm speechless. This is how my makeup turned out, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video, because I really enjoyed making it, and I can't wait to continue to grow and learn on my channel. And I hope you guys are here to grow and learn with me. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment, like my video, follow me on social media, all that, subscribe, and all of that. And I will see you in my next video.